Today is a vacation. Can I? I need to put my glasses on.
Stop.
Yeah. Place. I'll put my glasses on later, and then when I want to go see it all. Let's go. Oh, I'll put my glasses on again. It smells like cat.
Туалет.
Аня, у меня есть немножко корма, чуть-чуть корма, может вам хватит?
I saw the eggs are no, I think this is for the cat. Like, the poop everywhere. Whoa! It's boring because Monaco. Look, it's fire. Let's go. Eating, but this is animal food. We can't eat some.
We can't eat this food because they're not good for the child.
I'm still gonna go to the doctor and see he eats stomach food and he doesn't get us a stick.
And that is just for animals, not for people.
Yeah. See, there is. See, chicken. Chicken's on the farm here. I love it. You cannot eat it. Oh, not a. It's cute. Can I touch it? This one is here. Let's go. No, it's locked. Hey, what?
schauen schon groß wie 60 oder 50 Zentimeter aus.
Genau. Eine Bäcker doll. Instead of
Yeah.
moving sound bathroom. Let's go see something else. Where are we gonna go? See little chickies?
There are so
I
many
got
animals.
lots of- What? I'll put in a whole pack and just be careful. Ew, how good. I think these are chichu.
Look.
Die Putte.
Die Putter.
Die Putte ist schwarz und bei seinem Gesicht ist er rot und bei seinen Augen ist er blau. Und die schauen so aus.
Yeah. Can he touch it? Can he touch
It's wrong.
this one? Oh. Wrong. Is that
Noah.
Dad, can I see the baby goat?
Noah, komm. Noah, komm.
Say bye bye, Noah.
Bye bye, Gabriel.
Wait, it looks like a tofu. Ew, it's gross. You hold it. Now, this time he. Whoa. No.
I'm not doing anything for them.
I love it.
See, wait. Let's touch his body. This is the tiger.
This is the vegan, and we call English sheep. No, goat, I mean. And we love to touch it. I'm scared.
I'm also scared.
That's fun. That's a move. You want to try?
There are also. Wait. There are also goats.
Want some more? You'll see this one, okay? Yeah, I like it. So you go see some more? Oh, you want one more? Let's go see some more. Oh, they're close over here. Bye bye. We're gonna come to you later. That's sorry. That is your Lisa. You want to touch it? Look. And look. Oh, this one is cool. And do you? Okay, it's enough. Let's go. Bye bye. What's his name? I will call you Barry. Bye bye, Barry. I want to name my goat Barry. The orange one is named Barry, and another one is named Barry.
Barrio.
Yeah, Barry.
Ah.
I
I
love
will
the
keep
name.
him like Teddy.
Yeah, Teddy.
I will keep Teddy. His name is Teddy.
I'm the name of
Teddy.
Barry.
Then
Say go up here.
that's why.
Dieser Schleim ist
Ist rosa und er hatte eine Nase und er macht so nämlich.
Und Nase schaut wie ein Pepperwood.
Ja, und der hat 4 Beine. Und bei Pepperwoods hat Pepper 2 Beine.
Pandi.
Pandi.
Pandi. This one looks like Messi and this one looks like Baby.
Hallo Peppa Pig.
Hello, Peppa Pig.
Hallo Peppa Pig.
He's not very cold, right?
Hallo Peppa Pig.
Hello, Peppa. I'll call Peppy. I'll call Peppy.
I will call him Hoppy.
I'll call Peppy. Just Peppy. You have to take it in a bag. You want to try?
Okay. Very fast. 1, 2, 3.
Here you go. It's eating now. It smells yuck, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Okay. There you go. Take it over here. Patita. Take it.
How much do you have? I also have.
Nee.
Oh, there's lots of them coming. Oh my gosh, here you go. Here you go. Okay, here you go. First one. Okay, let's go.
Bye bye, Titu.
These are look like sheep. I think these are sheep. Articles. Articles.
There are lots of chickens.
There are lots of chickens over here, good.
See, I can touch him.
And you?
Shall I touch him one time?
Yeah. I touch you too. And you? So you come. Again, I have only little bit. I have no food.
Oh! You can take it. I will touch it. You can put it in.
I touch her. Really?
See, there's wolves. I can touch.
Wow.
You want some more?
I can add it. Now let's go see the big goats. Let's go see the big goats. Bye bye. Whoa. I will take you.
Let's go. See, that's a chicken.
What chicken? Oh, wow. You want to try?
Wait, I will put it there.
Can I touch it?
Ты Манюма. И ты тоже Манюма. Иди сюда, Манюма.
Their wolves are very soft.
Это, ребят, мы на Бауенхофе.
Touch him. Very soft.
He's soft.
Hey, hey, hey.
О, бейт.
You want to eat it? Okay. He's a coffee. Oh, really like the packet?
Yeah.
Ah! Ah, you gonna eat okay. He's a coffee. You want to eat the candy? And you want to? I got only little bit. Look, I got only little bit. Can you share with me? Thank you. Oh my God. Okay, here you go. He's licking at you. Oh, these good. Oh my God. Okay. That's so silly. Yeah, okay, eat that. Oh, I saw her teeth. Okay, let's go somewhere else. Oh, you that? Okay. Yeah, he do that. Lots of goats are coming. Okay, that's enough. Let's go here. There. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna PT. Because it looks like sheep.
I will just bring it now for me.
Peace. I love peace. Ah, it's fine.
And his name is for Shiru.
Ah, Shivi. Where's the
Steven. Steven.
Ah, I remember C.
His name is for Vienna.
Ow.
Or you can also keep his name Family.
Family. I love
Or Steven.
Can you give me mine?
Touch it? Yes.
He's cute.
Слышишь, как она лёгает здесь? Смотри. Смотри. Мультик. На. Будешь? Будешь?
Oh, yes. He licks me all the time. You? Oh, too bad.
Гата.
He's not eating me. Try this.
Right.
Oh. That's it.
Кролик.
Love her. You love him? Come on. Here you go. Come on, eat. Wow, I touched her.
Okay, shall I also touch?
Yeah. I got only little bit too.
can feed also mine.
And lots of
Hey!
food. Some food. Food. Oh, they haven't.
See, I touched him. See, shall I touch you? Shall I show you?
Yeah.
Come on, Red.
Come on, Rose.
See, I touched you.
I touch her in
Can I
her
also touch?
mouth. Can't.
Hey, buddy, come.
Come on. Come on. What's he doing? He's going inside.
Hey,
Can I have 4 or 5 yours?
Yes, you can take my full.
Okay, this one is an affordable chair.
Okay, shall I touch you?
Yeah. Affordable chair in your packet.
Hey, take it. Shall we go back? See, there's a bunny.
There's lots of food. Lots of food. You can try it.
Hey, bunny.
Hey, Bunny, can you put some food?
Shall I put it for?
Squeak! Squeak!
Hey.
Hey guys, this is rabbit feeding place, and there is where we're gonna food, and these are food. And oh, this looks good.
There's a crocodile also.
Yeah, a crocodile.
You want to sit here? I'm going to sit here. I will sit here.
We'll say about, okay? When they're out of food, we'll just go. What's this? It looks like out.
Oh, let's food.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a nice.
Really?
Look.
Oh.
I can see your face. I want to go see your face. Get him, Shadow! I like it. I'll keep it in my collection.
Can you see? Wow, it's cool. I will also take this one. I'll take this one.
Like a lot of paper. Oh, we have.
Yeah, you want to take this?
Yeah. Rabbit's hall. Gonna go
was really good.
And we touch goats and we feed the goats and the goats are licking us, but we don't want to. We don't want to do another day. We have to go home now and then we're gonna play a little bit.
Then
But we have to go to and then he's gonna go away and then we're gonna go buy some food.
bye bye.
Wait. Subscribe
See
to
you later.
bye guys, see you later.
Bye bye. See you
Wait,
later, guys.
bye guys, see you later. Subscribe
Bye.
if you want to see another video.
And
Then
see
subscribe in the channel.
Bye bye.